Hi, welcome to Permanent Magnets Limited. Today we will look at the working of a mini electromagnet. Now this is the mini electromagnet which requires a 240 volt AC to work, and this has a Hirschmann connector. Now this will only work if it has power supplied to it. For example, if I place it on this MS disk, as you can see, it is not lifting at all. Now I will connect it and provide it power. Now I place the magnet on this steel, I switch it on, and I can see it is clearly lifting with ease. And now to release it, I will just press the off button and it will come down.